This was the most awkward photo shoot I would have done, and here are 3 reasons why. So I previously done this shoot and I wanted to do a very different theme photo shoot on the same outfit. So I collaborated with one of the models. So I was doing a photo shoot with her for the first time. And these are the 3 things that made it actually the most awkward photo shoot. When I met her before the shoot, we started talking work related things and what I was doing in my life, what she was doing. And the conversational tone was very serious and it was not more of a fun and a playful tone. I think a little bit of background music would have helped me during the photo shoot because there were a lot of awkward silences and which made her also a bit uptight. The second thing that happened with me, so the corset that I had arranged from a makeup artist was a bit loose to her, so we had to use like double tape and everything, which made it a bit awkward also because she also had to constantly adjust it and everything. So the original plan that I had was it was an outdoor and an indoor shoot, but because of this we chose to not do it outdoor, but we just kept the photo shoot indoor only. The third thing was lack of communication, and I was so engrossed in taking good photos or trying to get good photos that I actually forgot that I could give her better feedback or like she was doing good and stuff like that. And I think it was one of the things which made her a bit lost because she was also not getting an idea like how is the shoot going or am I getting good photos. Now that I look back at it, there are certain things that I wish I would have done. One thing is keeping the environment very playful and light because models are already tensed and stressed because they want to perform good, they want to get the photos good. They've also put in a lot of efforts and so have the photographer as well. Second thing is not every photo that we click is going to be great because we also have to experiment. So like this photo, she just took a random book and I started clicking photos with it and those photos came amazing. And third thing is the best way to deal with awkwardness is to actually address it. In one of my photo shoots, I literally told my model like things are getting a bit awkward, like can we just chill around? And we took a break of like 5 minutes. We just chatted on random things and the photos after that became so much better because her body language was so free and she was just experimenting with things. So I've made this video so that we all have put in like so much efforts in each of the shoots, and if the photos are not coming good, it really feels bad. And it's not like we see it during the shoot, but when we see the photos on the monitor, we realize that, oh shit, like these are not that good. So that's all from my side. These are the things which I've implemented and they have really helped me push my photography to a next level. And I hope you do as well. So shoot more, stay happy.